The very touch of you corrupts. When Castiel first laid a hand on you in hell, he was lost!
For what it's worth, I would give anything not to have you do this.
I can't do it, Cass.
You have fallen in every way imaginable.
I was getting too close to the humans in my charge. You. Well, you know me. Always happy to bleed for the Winchesters.
What are you gonna do, Cass?
I don't know.
It's the Archangel! I'll hold them off! I'll hold them off! I gave everything for you. This is what you give to me.
Isn't that suicide?
Maybe it is. But then I won't have to watch you fail.
But Cass, you'll call me, right? If you get into real trouble. Don't make me lose you too.
It's not so simple when you say it like that. Where were you when I needed to hear it?
I was there. Where were you?
I need help. I'm sorry, Dean. I'll find some way to redeem myself to you.
The vessel's gonna explode, ain't it?